If you wanted to know how to change the time in your Audi, here's a short how-to demonstration for you using the touchscreen in an Audi A6 Saloon. First go to Settings and then go to General. At the top you'll then see the option for date and time. If you click into here, this is where you can make all of your alterations. This vehicle is currently set to automatic. This means it will pull the date and time automatically using the vehicle GPS. You can turn this off and set it to manual. You'll then be able to change the time yourself by scrolling through as so. You can also change the date format to whichever one you would prefer. And if you scroll down, you can also choose if you want to view the time in 24-hour format or 12-hour format. You can also use automatic time zone. This means when you drive the vehicle abroad, the GPS system will pick up the time zone that you are in and update the time accordingly. If you do need any help or have any questions, please do let us know, and any of our team at our Swansea Audi centres will be happy to help.